In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the cost of starting a career as a mortgage agent in Ontario. Plus, I'm going to show you what else you need to budget in order to ramp up and be successful. That's coming up right now. Welcome back. Victor here, helping you develop the right mindset to be the best in the business. I've broken this video into two parts. Part 1 is the standard fees you'll have to pay to get licensed and working with a brokerage. For Part 2, I've got 3 quick budgeting tips for you that will help you ramp up your business as quickly as possible. The first thing is that you'll need to take a FSRA-approved mortgage agent education program. FSRA provides on their website a list of them, such as MPC and REMIC. The cost is about $338 and up, depending on your study requirements. Check out their websites to see which is the right fit for you. Once you pass the course, great, now you're ready to get licensed. You apply for a license with FSRA once you join a brokerage. That's a challenge all on its own. I highly suggest you watch this video to learn how to choose the right brokerage. As of today, the FSRA annual licensing fee is $941. The fee is prorated based on the month in which your application is submitted during the fiscal year. If you're curious how that works, here's the formula. So, for example, if there's only 3 months left in the fiscal year, your fee would be $310. By the way, this fee must be paid along with the application for your license. Finally, there are brokerage fees. These fees will include many things, such as E&O insurance and access to software and technology needed to conduct your business. Now, these fees vary widely from brokerage to brokerage, so we're going to go with an average of $400 for E&O and $150 for monthly fees. That adds up to about $2,200 per year. So if we add up all the fees, we have $338 for the mortgage course, $941 for the FSRA annual licensing fee, and $2,200 for brokerage fees. That's a total of $3,479. So far, we've only covered the basic fees and costs to get started. This takes us to part 2, where we get into our 3 tips on budgeting to ramp up your business. Number 1, budget for your social media presence. More than ever, it's super important that you have an online presence. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube, you'll want to create and build your image. It's a great way to showcase your personality and share your knowledge. This will help attract clients and give them reasons to want to work with you. Things you'll need to budget for are services and equipment that will help you build your platform. For example, a service like Canva.com is a smart way to quickly create Facebook cover photos and Instagram stories. It will save you tons of time so you can focus on more important tasks that make you money. Also, if you're planning to do videos or live stream on Facebook, you'll want to, at the very least, budget for a good microphone and lighting equipment. Fortunately, you don't have to go and spend a lot on a camera. As it turns out, your phone already has a good camera built in. Use it until you can afford an upgrade. But you definitely do not want to use your phone's microphone. It will sound terrible and turn visitors away. Oh, by the way, if you want to know what it sounds like on the phone, this is how the microphone sounds like on a Samsung S10 smartphone. Hear the difference? Number 2, budget for marketing. Remember, as a mortgage agent, you are technically a business owner. So, as with any other business, you need a marketing budget to help you achieve your goals. And how you do that is by creating a marketing plan as part of your business strategy. This should include a detailed breakdown of everything you will spend to promote your business. Some examples include business cards, advertising, website design or landing pages, webinars, to name just a few. Typically, A budget will range from 5 to 25% of your business revenue. That is, you need to reinvest in your business to keep it growing. On a side note, notice I purposely did not include in this list buying leads. I personally think it's a terrible idea and a waste of money. These leads tend to be very impersonal, reused, and expensive. But if you do decide to buy leads, that's entirely up to you, and go ahead and add that to your budget. Number 3, budget for coaching. By now, you can appreciate that you will be making a big investment in your career. So you'll want to do everything possible to ensure your success. And yet, so many new agents overlook one of the most important things to budget for: coaching and mentoring. Now, I'm not talking about product training. All brokerages offer that. I'm talking about ongoing learning on how to do the business, what works and what doesn't work. It's about how to achieve faster growth, greater profits, and how to stand out from the competition. I hope you found these 3 tips helpful. For many, knowing how much it really costs to run a mortgage business is quite an eye-opener. What are your thoughts? Please share them in the comments section below. Now, if you're wondering how to be the best in the business, my Top Producer Mentorship program is designed to help you take your business to a whole new level of success. Let's have a chat to see if we're a good fit. Contact details are in the description below. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.